To make your renders look more like pixel art, you should start by turning anti-aliasing off. Then turn down your resolution to where you want it. Don't just lower the percentage here. Most of the consoles that pixel art tries to replicate doesn't come close to Blender's default at 1080p. Next, you could click this freestyle box, which will give your work an outline. Now make your first pixel art material and name it appropriately. Click this ramp button here by the diffuse color and change this linear here to constant. Then change your colors so that you have the darker shade of material on the left and the lighter on the right. This won't show any difference at all at first until you increase the alpha of the colors. I made this mistake for quite a while. You should also change the input from shader to result. You'll notice that when the lighting changes, all the changes will be in the size and location of this lighter area. If you're happy with how this looks, then that's fine, but I think we could do better than a black outline. Click on Render Layers and open up the Freestyle Line Style menu. Click on Color and add a new modifier. The modifier we're wanting here is Material, which will allow us to have individual outline colors for each material. While you're here, you can let Blender know when to add the outline. Naturally, it makes one on each crease to a certain degree, but you might not want that. I always enable this edge mark here, which allows you to mark in the outlines manually. Okay, go back to your pixel art material. You can set the outline color by clicking this freestyle line color here. I recommend that you set that to whatever your darkest color for the current material is. If you want dithering on a material, then you can add an additional color to your ramp. Something completely unique that isn't in any other part of the shot. You can either use that color to indicate the point of dithering in photo editing software, or use it as a chroma key in video editing software with the dithering layer underneath. Alternatively, for a more efficient but sometimes less accurate method, you can do the dithering in Engine. For that, I'll leave a link in the description to a video by Elijah Robertson, who specialises in making sprites in the style of the Game Boy Color. That should be you.